Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. And today's video is going to be a super exciting one. Today, I'm going to rank all the makeup that I tested in the month of August. I absolutely love this. This, you can call it as my favorites video for the August month with hits and misses all together. So, if you guys are interested on what all things that I tried in the month of August and how I ranked it accordingly, then please keep on watching. I have 22 items to rank, out of which I won't say anything is like super bad except the last item. And talking about that, on number 22, I do have my Kosas Tinted Face Oil. And this I actually have in the shade 5.5 medium with olive undertone. I actually did have only a sample size of it and I wanted to test it out, and I was looking like an oil slick by the end of the day. Just for a reference, I am a combo skin leaning towards oily, so I would steer away from this product if you are a combo skin or an oily skin type. For sure, I completely look like a mess by the end of the day, and when I say by the end of the day, I would say by the end of like 6-hour mark, it was terrible for me. I think if you have dry skin, you might like it, and it is a very sheer oily product. I would have known better because it was like a tinted oil and I've never tested out in tinted oil before. Yeah, I would stay away from it. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys also know about it. Now, moving forward, on number 21, I have my Catrice Sungasm highlighter. Now, the highlighter is beautiful, but for my skin tone, especially when I'm like tan like this, I think it's a I would say it's more of like that pinky highlighter, but with like iciness to it. If you can see on my like finger, it has a lot of iciness to it. And that is why I don't think it's flattering on my skin tone. But as a body highlighter, I think it will be really nice. But it has very creamy texture. I don't think it flatters my skin tone that well. And that is why I've ranked this on number 21. I'm going to fly through this because we have so many products to talk about. And all of these I have reviews on my channel, so either I would link it in the iCards above or in the description below. If you guys want to check it out, you can definitely do that. On number 20, I have Believe Beauty's contouring palette, and this is in the shade medium deep. I love the highlighter in this. Blush is okay, the bronzer is not that good, but this is like $5 product. Highlighter is the star of the show. I mean, if you'll buy it, will you be disappointed with it? Not really. It's very powdery. One, this compact is very fragile, very powdery. I already broke this. If you had seen my Believe Beauty review, you actually know about it. But I reach into this palette only for that highlighter, and this highlighter, it's super creamy, super blendable. It just blends into the skin like no other. You can see the difference. Can you see that? This is the Catrice highlighter and this is the Believe Beauty highlighter. I would choose this any day over this highlighter. Especially like with my tan right now, I would definitely recommend this. If you are more on that fair skin tone, you would absolutely love the Catrice one. Let's move on. On number 19, I have another product from Believe Beauty, and this is their eyeshadow palette. Now, I am very picky about my eyeshadow palettes just because I love eyeshadows. I am like a palette lover. And I love my eyeshadows to be that blendable, that beautiful, that impactful when I'm putting it on my eyes. Is it by any means a bad palette? Not at all. I loved this shade. This is super impactful. The matte here in this palette, this one and this one, it's super nice. But the rest of the shimmers have a little bit of a lackluster impact on it. The only shimmer that I really loved is this one. Not saying the others do not blend or it's not nice. It's not that impactful. I would not rate this anywhere closer to my other palettes that I have in my collection. So that is why this is on number 19. Now on number 18, I have a product from Estee Lauder, and it is their Eye Concentrate. I've been using this for now, I would say I've been using this for about 1.5 months. And I was waiting for this month for giving a review on this, just because it's an eye concentrate. You would need a good amount of testing on your under your eyes to say if it does make a difference or not, and I don't think it did make such a difference. It's a very nice formula. It's a very lightweight formula. I love the applicator. If you can see, it's like a very, no, you cannot see. It's a very like a bulb-like applicator, and it's very cooling underneath the eyes when you're applying. It's a very nice experience when you put it on. But did I see a difference? Not really. And for that reason, I'm putting it in this spot. On number 17, I have Believe Beauty's concealer. And it's a good concealer. I won't say it's a bad concealer. It didn't crease. It didn't like smudge or anything. If you're looking for like a affordable concealer under $5, you would like it. But as compared to like my Catrice concealer or my Colourpop concealer or my Flower Beauty concealer, I won't rank this higher. It wore beautifully underneath my eyes and it stayed for a long time. It by no means is like a full coverage concealer, but it is more on like that medium coverage concealer. So if you are looking to wear it with a skin tint, you would really like it. But if you have a lot to cover underneath your eyes and if you have a lot of dark circles, this concealer is not for you. And that is why I'm ranking this on number 17. By the way, if you are wondering why am I sounding like this, that's just because my throat is not feeling well. I'm coughing a lot, that is why. Yeah, but just ignore this. I had to film this video because I nowadays can only film on Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm batch recording right now because of my work schedule. So yeah, moving forward. On number 16, I have Believe Beauty's liquid lipstick. Now this I really like. Why am I ranking this a little low? Just because again, there's a bunch of products that are really good on me. This is not extraordinary, but is it a good liquid lipstick? I absolutely love it. The shade is absolutely wonderful, and this is in the shade Tea Time. By the way, in the concealer, I was in the shade light beige. So if you are my skin tone, even with like a tan, this worked beautifully on me. So I just wanted to mention this. And this shade Tea Time is like a very mauvey shade, very creamy on the lips and very lightweight, as you can see. Like that's the shade. Beautiful with like cool tone shades, a very neutral. If you're wearing like cool tones or neutrals on your eyes, this would complement that eye look really well. Nothing bad to say about it, but yes, I would still put it on number 16. Now on number 15, I have a bunch of Inkey List products. I had mentioned it in my last ranking videos that I just started testing out Inkey List products, and some of them really worked out beautifully for me. Some of them, I won't say anything broke me out because I was testing them for my breakouts, and I think they've helped quite a bit on my skin. And on number 15, I'm gonna rank my Kaolin Clay Mask. Now obviously this is a mask, so I don't apply this every day. I apply it like once a week. Is it a good mask? Yes. Is it doing anything? I really don't know. Have I seen like a considerable difference using this mask? No. Have I seen this irritating my skin? No. But I think all the Inkey List products are working very nicely on my skin. So that's why I'm ranking this on number 15, if that makes sense. On number 14, I have my Inkey List Niacinamide, which helps excess oil. And I think this works really nicely with my combo oily skin type. So if you have more of a oilier skin, and if you want to combat that oil, especially at the night time, when you wake up in the morning, you don't want to feel like an oil slick, and if you're wearing makeup on top of it, you don't want your oils to come through by the end of the day. This really helps with that, and I really like it. I use it in the morning as well as in the night, and I absolutely love it. I think I'm halfway through this bottle. You don't get much in it. It's 1 fluid ounce, and I've been using this continuously every day, morning and night, for a month. And I really like it. So that's why I'm ranking this serum on number 14. On number 13, we have Believe Beauty's Cream Blush. You will definitely not be disappointed if you use this cream blush. It's just that I have seen only 2 shades in their line. That's why I'm ranking this a low. But did it perform beautifully? Yes, it did. And I am very excited that this is in my collection. And this is in the shade Tropical Sunset, and I absolutely love it. If you are peachy blush lover, you would absolutely love it. And this goes more like a neon blush on your cheeks. So let me just swatch it for you guys. As you can see, like, it's just amazing how fresh it looks on your skin. It's wonderful. Again, I have use like a full face of Believe Beauty. I'll link it in the icons above if you've not checked it already. But for $4 or $5, this blush works beautifully. If you thought that the e.l.f. putty blush is like too putty for you or too drying for you, try Believe Beauty blush. You will absolutely love it. On number 12, I have the palette from KKW, and this is their Classic Blossom palette. I got this in the Ulta sale that they were going with, and I got this palette for $11, and I do not regret this one little bit. This is the palette that I have on my eyes. I have a dedicated videos using this KKW beauty products, and I absolutely love it. Do not go with the shades in the pan. I mean, if you just look at the pan, the first 6 shades seem so light that it might not even show on your skin, but all of them show beautifully on my skin tone, and the quality is absolutely wonderful. The mattes are super creamy, super blendable. The shimmers, I would say they are impactful but very smooth on the eyes. So I really like it. I like the packaging. It's very sleek, very modern kind of a look. So I absolutely loved this KKW beauty palette. On number 11, I have Catrice Beauty's powder blush. Now this, again, it's a blush that I absolutely love. Again, if you are a powder blush kind of a person and you absolutely love coral blushes, you would go bananas over this. I absolutely love the shade. It looks so fresh on your cheeks, against your skin tone, especially for, like, I would say medium or dark skin tones. You would absolutely love it if you like peachy blushes. And for that reason, I'm going to rank this on number 11. Now let's move on to my top 10, and these top 10 products, all of them are superb quality. They're top notch, and I really wanted to mention them. On number 10, I want to rank my L'Oreal lipsticks. Since I did not mention them in their last month's ranking video, I skipped it. I definitely wanted to put them in this because I really feel that these are like dupes for Huda Beauty's that cream lipsticks. This Nude Intense line is really good. I have the shade called Nude Determine and New Authentic. Nude Determine is more on that peachy side. So let me swatch it for you guys. So that's Nude Determine. And the shape of it is so lovely. It has that classic L'Oreal scent, which I absolutely love. And this is New Authentic. It has like that glossy feel on the lips when you apply it. Can you see that intense shine that is coming through? I absolutely love these shades. Again, Nude Determine and New Authentic. It is stunning on the lips. It fills your lines if you have lines on your lips. As Coffee Break with Danny says, I have raisin lips. So if you want to like cover your lines on the lips, you would absolutely love this. And again, from the drugstore, you cannot go wrong with it at all. On number 9, I have Inky List C50 Blemish Night Treatment. Now, I really feel that my dark spots because of that acne has considerably reduced because of this product, and I absolutely feel that this is magical. I use this only at night time after I apply my serum. That's when I apply this, and I leave it alone. I go to bed, and I've used this continuously every night for a month, and it has considerably reduced my dark spots. So if you are a person who struggles with acne spots because you have a skin of color, we have melanin more induced in our skin, and that is why the dark spots is more prominent. Try this. I think it will really work out for you. So I definitely wanted to shout this out. On number 8, I have a perfume recommendation, and I've not stopped wearing this from the time I've received this. I'm so grateful that influencer as well as Kilian sent this out to me, and I'm talking about Rolling in Love by Kilian. I absolutely love this scent. Let me tell you the notes. It's a warm floral scent, and the key notes are with almond milk, iris, and musk. This is my everyday office scent, and I mean, you don't need that many spritz. How many spritz I did? My whole basement is going to smell like this perfume right now. I remember the first time when I got it, and I just sprayed it once just to get a whiff of it, and my husband came from the upper level and he was like, what is that scent? What is that scent? It smells so nice. And I just did one whiff. It is so strong that you are going to smell this for the entire day. It's going to last for a long time. If you want like a long lasting scent, and if you love like warm floral scents, I think you would fall in love with this. Now again, Kilian perfumes are very, very expensive. I think it's around like $240, $250, but it just stays for a whole lot of time. I mean, if there's been occasions when I've like sprayed this and I've put my clothes after coming back on the hanger, and then even the next day when I like just take it out, I can still whiff it. I absolutely love it. I am so glad they sent this because I don't think I would have bought it myself, being very, very honest. But after whiffing it, I mean, I am getting so used to it. And in the office, people keep complimenting me on the scent. And yeah, I am absolutely happy about it. It comes in a very nice packaging. It's like a, cardboard box, but it sits very nicely inside it. I absolutely love the packaging also. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I definitely wanted to shout it out. On number 7, we have another Inkylist product, and this is their salicylic acid wash cleanser, and I absolutely love this. This is the main culprit of taking all the acne away. From the time I've started using this, I have hardly got any acne. Once in a while it will pop up here and there if it's that day of the month, or if I have eaten a lot of junk, that's when it will pop out. But otherwise, I do use this every day in the morning and every day before going to bed. And this has immensely helped my acne like no other. And I will definitely buy this again. There is no doubt in that. I have already gone through more than half of the bottle. So that's how much I love this, and I use this continuously, and I cannot stop using this. And I think I will repurchase it again and again. If you are a person who really have acne prone skin, I think you should definitely try this. You will definitely not be disappointed with this at all. On number 6, I have another product from KKW Beauty product, and it is their lipsticks, their nude lipsticks. This one is in the shade Classic Icon 1, and this is more on that mauvey shade. I also have their shade called Nude 2, which is more on that peachy, very, very nudie shade for me. I would only wear it with like intense smoky eye looks. It's a very creamy shade, very comfortable formula to wear on your lips. The only gripe I would say, it's already leaning towards one side. Can you see that? It's very loosely pressed in the bullet. So I think packaging is a dud, but the formula I really, really like. So for that reason, I'm going to rank this on number 6. On number 5, I have another product from Believe Beauty, and it is their loose setting powder. Now this product, it can come close to some high-end loose setting powders, and you will see in the future video, I have this product duped with another product, and I think this is the most close that you can get. I absolutely love this powder. It's very smooth, it's very blendable, it's very finely milled, it's so smoothing on the skin. This is a gem in the drugstore. If you have not tried this already, this is a product to try. You will definitely not be disappointed. I absolutely love this Believe Beauty powder. On number 4, I have Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte Primer. When I initially tested this out, I thought it's not doing much, and after testing this out, I would say quite few weeks, I cannot live without this primer when I'm going out for like a full day, especially for work. If I'm going, I'm definitely wearing this because this keeps my oils all under control. It doesn't feel like a mattifying silicone based primer when you apply it, because it just feels like a moisturizer when you apply it, but it does such a good job on keeping the oils in place. I absolutely love this. This is like a hidden gem again from the drugstore. You definitely need this if you have an oily skin. You would absolutely love it. Yeah, there's nothing more to say about it. It absolutely is wonderful from the drugstore, and it's like, I don't know, it's like $5-6 or something. You need this in your life if you do not have it already, especially if you have combo oily skin. Now let's move on to top 3. On number 3, all these products are really, really good. I mean, I still don't know where to rank what, because I use them continuously. So don't get into the ranking part when I'm talking about my top 3, because I absolutely love all these 3 products. But for the sake of ranking, I will rank it. On number 3, I have my Believe Beauty foundation, and this I am in the shade Toffee. I am in the shade Toffee, and this is perfect for my tan skin right now. The formula is absolutely wonderful. It's blendable, it's long wearing, it's like medium to full coverage but very lightweight on the skin. It is just amazing. If you're looking for a drugstore foundation which is very affordable, which does perform like high-end foundation, you would absolutely love this. Do not even doubt yourself at all. You will not be disappointed. You will not take your decision back. I absolutely love it. Again, it is written it's medium to full coverage. That's exactly what it does. I love the packaging. I love that it comes with a pump. It doesn't feel like a $5 foundation. It really doesn't. It can compete with my Makeup Forever foundations. I absolutely love it. You need to check it out if you haven't already. Go to your closest Dollar General and buy this today. You will thank me later. I know that. On number 2, I have another foundation. This month was a foundation kind of a month, and all the foundation that I tested out were beautiful. On number 2, I have Catrice True Skin Foundation, and this I am in the shade 046 Neutral Toffee. I'm more on the neutral undertone, so this works beautifully on my skin tone. This is a tad bit lighter, but I can absolutely make it work. This being a hydrating foundation on my combo skin, it gives all the benefits that a hydrating foundation would give, but it doesn't make me oily. It doesn't make me look cakey. At the end of the day, it's so skin-like, but again, medium to full coverage is what I'm looking for because of my acne scars, and this delivers everything that I need to. You need to try any of these foundations. This is an $11 foundation and this is like a $5 foundation. Both of them from the drugstore, both of them affordable, competes with my high-end foundations. You need to try this if you haven't already. I absolutely love both of these products so much. Talking about that, let's talk about our number 1. I'm gonna combine both of these together just because I don't know what to rank higher than the other, and I'm talking about the M Cosmetics cream products. This is the cream blush stick and this is called the Multi Face Play. In the blush, I have the shade called Lychee, and in the bronzer, I took the shade Nomadic. Now, initially, when I did my review on the channel, I took the shade Summer, and it didn't work out for me just because the shade was so light for my tan skin tone. I exchanged it with the shade Nomadic, and you need the tiniest little bit because it's so pigmented. And this is the bronzer that I'm wearing today. Actually, I'm wearing a bunch of things that I spoke about today. On my face, I have the Believe Beauty foundation. Underneath my eyes, I'm wearing the Believe Beauty powder. I'm wearing KKW Beauty's palette on my eyes. Of course, all the skincare I have on my face. Yeah, I'm wearing this blush on my cheek today, and I'm wearing this on my lips today. But yes, talking about the M Cosmetics cream products, look at the shade. This is so neutral, and this looks very neon on my skin, but it blends out into like a powdery finish. And this is a product formula that I've never seen in the drugstore before, or I've never seen before, because it blends beautifully into the skin and it sets like a powder. It's not going anywhere. You don't even need to set it with like a powder. Now it's not going to budge. Can you see that? It's not going to budge at all. You get a few minutes in the beginning to blend it out, and once you blend it out, it's there in place. I absolutely love these products from M Cosmetics. I think the plus point of this is the formula. I am very happy that this is in my collection, and this is definitely a little unique in the makeup industry, at least in my collection, I would say. And I use a lot of cream products, and this is definitely the one that goes to like a powdery finish like no other. It blends like in seconds, and I absolutely love it. There were a bunch of hits in this month today, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, if you have tested these products out, tell me which one is like your favorite. And if you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload 3 days a week, every single week, every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.